Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML entities, and right now we will be discussing about non-breaking space. A non-breaking space entity. A commonly used entity in HTML is the non-breaking space, which is having the symbol and symbol along with the name, the entity name, which is NBSP, and we end it with our semicolon. A non-breaking space is a space that will not break into a new line. Two words separated by a non-breaking space will stick together, not break into a new line. This is handy when breaking the words might be disruptive. For example, all this you are seeing right here. So again, another common use of the non-breaking space is to prevent browsers from truncating spaces in HTML pages. If you write 10 spaces in your text, the browser will remove 9 of them. To add real spaces to your text, you can use the NBSP, which is for the non-breaking space that ends with the semicolon character entity. The non-breaking space is very nice when you are writing something and you want to give a big space, big gap in between the text. You can just place it one by one, like the amount of the spaces you want in between the words, because automatically the HTML remove some spaces when you write any code. If you write spaces like 10 spaces, automatically the HTML will remove 9 of them. The browser will remove 9 of the spaces. So if you want to add that kind of space again, you can use that non-breaking space entity. So tip right here, the non-breaking hyphen, which is this, is used to define a hyphen character that does not break into a new line. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let me get to our document right here. As you can see, we are having this document right here, but in between this HTML and the code right here, I want to give it some spaces. So quickly, let's do that. Let's check our code and give that with our hand. Let's do like this. Save your document. Maybe it's going to work like this. You are going to see it will never work. Can you see when I reload my browser, it never works. Nothing works here right now. So quickly, let's use the NBSP, the non-breaking space. So let's get back to this place and do like this, and symbol along with your word NBSP. When we save our document, we are going to find space there. Can you see our space is there right now? Now let's double this thing. Let's duplicate it. Duplicate. When I save the document, now you are going to see much space. Can you see some space right here? That is the benefit of using the NBSP. The non-breaking space entity. So as you can see, it's working fine. So don't you forget, when you want to specify the name entity, you are going to use your and symbol along with the name entity along with the semicolon to close it. So that's all. And also I want to show you this one, which is let me quickly show you. This is right here, the non-breaking hyphen, which is this minus symbol you are seeing right here. We can use this 8209 and 8209 to bring out that one. Let's quickly use this code. In between this code, your code right here, we are going to put it. Let's just write and hashtag along with the code, the 8209 and close it with our semicolon. So quickly, let's reload our document. Right here is where you are going to see the minus. So let's reload our document. Yeah, can you see the minus displays? So that's what I want to show you guys. In the next tutorial, we are going to show each other more advanced things we can do with this. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.